So this is how the Alfie 500 could or arrived at your factory. The only thing you have to do right now is first check it for transport damage and then see if everything's on the packing list is on this crate here. Item 1, Alfie 500 module, obviously present. Then we got some more items here. We got 2 flexible hoses to connect the unit. We got a toolkit. We got an intermediate service kit. We got a manual and a spare parts list, also coming handy. And in this case, we got the 2 kinds of suction devices here, surface type and bellow type, both on the unit. So now it's time to get the wrapper off and see if the Alfie 500 is in supreme condition. Let's get this going. So to show that this is a very easily handleable and small unit, I will take it off by myself of this crate because that's entirely possible. But whenever you can, you should get a second person which can help you. Otherwise, you just get it to the tilting point, get it on its feet, and lift it up. That's it. There's your Alfie. Now I will quickly clean up this mess and then we get going. So what you will probably need the most is your toolkit. So we start with that. Get these suction devices out of the way. Also not interested in these. I can't see what's in there. First look at the manual. I obviously already did that. Intermediate service kit, that's what I will do next. There it is. Toolkit. It sounds pretty tooly to me. It's heavy, that's good. Let's see if everything's in there. This looks good to me, but in case of any doubt, just check the spare part manual of the separator, not the spare part catalog of the Alfie. In my version on page 38 you find the set of tools. Now you can check if the puller is in there and also if the socket spanner is in there, if the wrench is in there, if the belt wrench is in there, if the hexagonal socket driver is in there, and last but not least, if the bowl wall scraper is in there. As I said, looks good to me, so we got everything we need. I put it back inside so that I don't lose it for now while I'm unboxing the rest of this. Let's get to the intermediate service kit. So we got a few more boxes in here. So first thing is a disc stack, service kit of O-rings, and an impeller for the pump. What you would probably use or need first is this service kit of O-rings. See how these are exchanged in our service video or in the service manual itself. So not very surprisingly, a bunch of O-rings. The second thing would be the impeller for the pump. This is also quite a wear part on this unit. There you find the impeller itself and also some impeller lubricant specifically for the impeller to keep it running smooth. Even it should occur sometimes that there is no water running through the impeller. So that's that. And last but not least, we have the disc stack. Also some O-rings. Don't miss these, don't lose these. And a hole disc stack. I suggest that you keep this inside the box you get it in and keep it safe so none of the discs get lost, and when you need it, it's right there. Suction devices. What you probably got with your unit is the bellow type suction device, which should be in here. Yes. So this is the bellow type suction device, which goes into your tank, and this swimmer goes up so that the inlet of the liquid is always taken from the top of your liquid level. And then we also got the surface suction device, which looks like this. Similar principle, mechanism which keeps it on the surface so that the water inlet is here and taken from the surface so that you get in the tramp oils and the dirt first, which swims on the top of your industrial fluid. Hose also connected to it to connect it to the unit. And for the unit itself, you got the separator as the core component right here. You got the motor integrated into this whole part. Then there is the motor for the pump here, the pump itself right here. At the inlet to the pump there is a strainer. At the outlet of the separator you can find a pressure sensor and a motorized regulating valve. So the only thing that's left is in the back the collecting tank for the separated oil phase and the control cabinet. So much for the unboxing, and in another video we show you how to set up the unit and get it running. Besides that, enjoy the use of your Alfie 500, and in case you do not want to miss any of the videos we upload on units like the Alfie or on industrial fluids cleaning itself, subscribe to the channel on this platform and stay tuned for more videos and more information coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.